A negative lead from Wall Street has meant that the market has been under pressure, and this time it's been Twitter that's disappointed the market, and we've seen a big fall in Twitter shares. That means we are seeing a rotation into some of the more value-driven sectors rather than the growth-driven sectors. Having a look at sectors, and it has been information technology and healthcare under pressure today. Plenty of news about. We've seen RCR Thomson in a trading halt. An earnings-related announcement is expected. And also just watching, today was the second last trading day of July, and it looks like for the month of July the market's been pretty positive, up by 1.3%. So it looks like we're set to clock the fourth consecutive months of gains, and that's the longest monthly winning streak that we've seen for the market since 2013. Having a look at some more company news, and Sierra, which is the most shorted company on the ASX, the share's down by about 6% today as it cuts its graphite production target. It also cites weak prices, and that's surprising because its Bauma graphite project was supposed to be a premium to benchmark prices. Instead, the company says that for the last 6 months of production, they've seen the product selling at a discount. And of course, the market watching that ongoing cash burn as well. We've also heard from Aristocrat Leisure, the shares down by around about 3%. Last year, earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization was $1 million, and the consensus for the current report was for a loss of $57 million. The company is predicting a loss of $50 to $55 million on an EBITDA level, and on a net profit after tax level, a loss of $84 to $94 million. Basically, this is a US business now through Main Event. But they've announced that there would be an asset impairment to its Main Event business, mainly due to the real estate quality of some of its Main Event areas and some ongoing brand challenges from having taken over an existing business. We've seen Sandfire comfortably meeting guidance, producing just under 65,000 tonnes in copper, but the problem has been in the weak guidance for the year ahead. The share's down by around about 8.5%. The company forecasting that full-year copper output in the current financial year will be 63 to 67,000 tonnes, which is weaker than expected. It looks like the higher grades from the Monty project will take longer to come through, and Sandfire, one of the worst performers on the market today. So altogether, a weaker start for the market. Tomorrow will be the last trading day of July, but it looks like the ASX set to clock up the fourth consecutive month of gains.